Hi learners! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a long conversation between two English learners to help you improve fluency. Asha. Hi Ria. How are you? Ria. I am good. Asha. How are you? Asha. I am fine too. By the way, where are you from? Ria. I am from Pune. And you? Where are you from? Asha. I am from Mumbai. Nice to meet another English learner. Ria. Same here. I really want to improve my English. Sometimes I feel confident and sometimes I get stuck. Asha. Don't worry. I face the same problem. I understand English, but when I try to speak, my mind becomes blank. Ria. Exactly. I know many words, but I forget them while speaking. Asha. That happens with every learner. The more we practice, the better we will become. How do you practice English? Ria. I watch English YouTube videos and repeat the sentences. What about you? Asha. I practice with my friend for 10 minutes daily. We choose one topic and talk. Ria. That's a good idea. Which topics do you practice? Asha. Simple ones like daily routine, food, travel, family, and shopping. Ria. Oh, these are useful topics. Sometimes I practice in front of the mirror too. Asha. Yes, mirror practice is great. It helps with confidence. Do you read English books? Ria. I read short story books. They are easy to understand. Do you read? Asha. Yes, I read small stories and then try to explain them in my own words. It improves fluency. Ria. Wow, I should try that. Do you also write new words? Asha. Yes, I write 5 new words every day and try to use them in a sentence. Ria. That's smart. I think we both can learn faster if we practice together. Asha. Absolutely. Let's practice every evening for 10 minutes. Ria. Done. Today we can talk about daily routine or food. Asha. Sure. And we can also correct each other's mistakes gently. Ria. Yes, that will help us improve. I am excited for our practice sessions. Asha. Me too. Let's become fluent together. Ria. Yes. Let's start our English journey from today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.